today's episode. How do you do, Winterpapas? And welcome to Stories of My Life. So today, Friday, I'm on my way to Skansen, which is an outdoor museum where there are concerts, and today we're going to have our opening night for the concert that we're doing. The first of three. We're going to do two at Skansen and then one at Dalahäst. So that'll be exciting, hopefully. It's not. It sounded really great yesterday, so and it's not that heavy on costumes, which I'm glad for. Also, there's a train coming. But also there are all these kids finishing school, and so there's a lot of cheering, a lot of music, a lot of whistling and stuff like that. I had literally a disco outside my bedroom window this morning. Yeah, really woke me up. So today this is all over Stockholm. It's like a carnival, only less fun. So I just got recognized by a woman, I think from Germany, who's going to see this show tomorrow, and she took my picture with her. I went like this, and then I thought, oh, I should have asked her. So if you are that German woman, I think German, please sort of tell me your name, and I can sort of, yeah, I can at you, or I can at least name you or something. So it's really cool and calm here at Skansen. I passed a fairground called Gröna Lund before, and that was sort of a riot. Kids screaming and people everywhere. You can bike. That's my idea of hell. A lot of kids and people standing in queue, not moving, irritated, expecting to have fun and not actually having fun. So this is really nice. It's quiet. It's, well, I guess we are in a country, so it's like being in the country. Remember yesterday when there were lots of video screens here? I guess they're gone. Or, no, they just taped over them, maybe, possibly, not sure. This is not the fastest moving staircase ever. Escalatore. Yeah, I speak Spanish if it's easy. Okay, people, look at that view. Damn. Oh, and look at that enormous boat. Yeah, we got tourists. I guess everyone forgot about COVID. As they should. I mean, it's not, at least in Sweden, it's not classified as whatever it was anymore. Look at that. And look at that. Just want to show you these really cute houses. And you can also go into them. This is sort of pottery. Oh, that's a cock. It's a cock out. Yes, it's a grand cock. Looks like two cocks. Oh, happy cocks. Oh, that cock will put me off my game. Anyway, come here, not just for the cocks. Okay, people are rehearsing on stage, and I'm just back here checking. Morgan just went up that, and Christian is here. Bonjour, how are you? We just have a great lunch, Christian, David and me. And David just told us that his mother's name was?
Winifred.
And there's also a famous
elephant named Winifred. That's in the Jungle Book.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Bette Midler is called Winifred, I think, when she's
the witch.
I think that's Winifred.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I never saw it.
But your mother was not an elephant.
No, she was a witch.
She was a witch.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Now David is going to get coffee for us.
Dra in stjärten, Winifred, säger jag.
He spoke Swedish now.
I can't speak Swedish.
No, you can't.
I just pretend.
Yes, you do. we pretend to understand what you're saying.
Det är därför jag ska gå hem för kattprat igen nu.
He said something about... So that was Norwegian, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Christiana and I, we're taking a quick walk, and I'm forcing him to get up on a horse. The truth is, Christian is very short. He's almost embarrassingly short. So it would be quite fun to see him get up.
Where's the stigbygel?
It's gone. Solve the problem. Oh, yes, here he goes. So, you used to be great, but fantastic. Yes, good. And now get down.
Help.
So, this is how people die, people. They get on one of those immense horses and then they can't get down, so they suffocate or, they're going to starve to death. Yeah. He's getting off. Fantastian is now getting on another horse. This is more your kind of horse, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
Like the pony.
Yeah. Now you get off. Fantastic. Yeah, you're really good at this. Let's find something else to climb. So there's a Hitchcock movie where people are getting attacked by really dangerous birds. And I feel sort of threatened right now by these. They pretend to walk away, but I just know that they will sort of arrive. Oh, look, there they are. Coming closer. Damn it. Anyway, there's a drop-in wedding here today. Tomorrow. Are you getting married?
We'll see tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow. What did you say?
The birds are gathering over there for an attack.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this is a revenge.
Yes, the army is here.
Oh my God. No. Quack, quack. I can speak duck. Oh, are these ducks? What are they?
Goose.
Geese this is. Quack, quack. Yes. I could talk to the animal. To the animal. Do you know any songs about geese?
Haven't heard any.
Anything about ducks?
No, not really.
No. The red-nosed reindeer. Oh, that's a reindeer. No, that's wrong. And I film you, so yeah.
There's evidence.
Yeah, there's evidence. God. Well, on your view. Tomorrow we're going to go here and film those people getting married. We're going to go down here, I think. We came from that way, but oh God, I bet those birds are poisonous. Well, we see you, so just, we are out looking for things for Christian to climb. He's absolutely mad for climbing stuff.
Can't get enough.
He can't get enough. Just can't get enough. Just can't get enough. There are trees everywhere. Do you want to climb a tree? You climb a tree and scrape a knee. This fetty bear. This is in everything except for everywhere. Really have to say, Christian is not come a monk. People, I could not stop him. He saw them and he just ran. Now he ran. He just ran towards what? The sheep. Oh my God, he's going to jump on the sheep. Right, that sheep. Yes, good. Oh, Christian.
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Very fun.
Yeah. So, do you want to sit on an egg?
No.
On one of the mushrooms? That looks kind of provocative, doesn't it? Sit on one of the mushrooms, please.
I think it's your turn to sit on.
No, I'm just a photographer. I'm just photographing.
You're photographing?
Yeah, sit on one of the mushrooms.
Oh. What I don't do for your
Instagram account.
Story.
So Christian is about to choose a mushroom to sit on. Will he choose a big one? Yes, he did. He's such a size queen. Oh, look. And can you lean backwards? Further. So, people, we are not sure. David is really good at flowers. We are not sure what these are. We're going to ask him later on. So, stay tuned. We think they are sort of hollyhocks or bureaucrats or what could they be called? Cinderellas. Lupino Cinderella. Christian say there might be some sort of orchid.
It looks like an orchid.
Yeah?
Some kind of.
Yes, there are lots of
Maybe
orchids. Yes, this is... iris germanica.
That's what I said.
Yes, well, I didn't hear you say that.
But I was
You thought you were thinking,
Yeah.
you look like you were thinking. Yeah, absolutely. So, people meet Iris Germanica. So here's the stage. And the audience is arriving. The audience are. No, they is arriving. Yeah, that sounds right. So David is making up Maria. She's not going to be on stage, she's just vain.
The visitor said she's not going to be happy.
she's not going to like this, I tell her. Think drag show, think RuPaul. I'm going to show you the audience. So,
Eva Kont, ja, vad roligt!
Oh, I felt. He stole my idea.
Och välkomna till Skansen, kära vänner. Mår ni bra? Ja, vad härligt. Jag heter Morgan Alling och jag kommer att vara era ciceron här ikväll. Den 13 september 2018 står vi på Skansen här i Stockholm. Nervösa, livrädda. Hur skulle en ny svensk bulvan ta fot av publiken? Men efteråt...
Inget utanför skall längre styra mig. Jag ska njuta varje andetag. Som ett nyfött barn är jag på jorden, naken inför denna dag. Befriad ifrån alla krav och villkor kan jag pröva vara jag. Nu extra klassen lugnt med din från till dansas. Allt finns i skolorna. Den som kan det här i morgon, han kom hit och sa att det är fint. Det är mycket som är fint, mycket som är fint, mycket som är bra. Var det det han sa? Mycket som är fint, 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 mycket som är fint. Om vi har det rätt, om vi har det rätt.
raining. Do you have anything to add?
Jag tycker om sjunga så här.
My son's favourite show is coming to Sweden, and Christian, I dare you to open the flap.
Should I?
Yes, you should.
I bet he's wearing a
Yeah.
Fördrev mig Gud från mitt hemland slets jag bort. Här är jag, en flykting och en främling, och det ödet finner jag mig i. Men du tog mitt barn och du tar mig från min man. Jag kan inte längre se en mening. Vad är det du vill? Vad ska jag tro?
Okay, so the last show is, and Christian is going crazy. Yes, yes, yes. And talking about crazy.
Yeah! Sutton!
Gotta make a story. This is, she's got the lyrics in her, for what song?
Du måste finna.
Oh my god. People, it's time to go home. Christian and the others. This is quite enchanted, isn't it? Say goodbye to Christian. Arrivederci. See you tomorrow. Blah 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 blah. Oh, old town, by the way. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so much.